Satan's plan in plain sight. These people want to drag your soul to hell with them. So, once again, I caught this on the Tell Lies to Your Vision screen. And I couldn't help but notice the mockery and the blasphemy in plain sight. So, this is a celebrity. I'm not sure what his name is at the moment, but that's not important. What I want you to pay attention to is the background. And I want you to pay attention to what it says on the screen. You see flames as if he's been consumed by fire, and you see it says burning. Now, Satan tries to divert you, to fool you into thinking that bad is good and good is evil. He only makes things appear good, right? Right. So what the adversary, our enemy, is doing is he mocks the Most High because he is still competing to be like him. But Satan has already been defeated. Yet he still thinks he has a shot. All right. What you're seeing in plain sight, you guys, is the final destination of these beasts that's on your screen, of these false prophets, of these false idols, of these demons, of these wolf in sheep clothing. Behold, surely the day of judgment is coming, burning like a furnace. On that day, the arrogant, the wicked, and all the evildoers will be burned up like stubble. Set ablaze, says the Almighty, the Most High. They will be consumed. Not a root or branch will be left of them. Okay? And those are facts. What they are showing you guys in plain sight is that these wicked people that you look up to and that you worship the most and that you put before the Almighty, they are going to burn. And they are showing you that that's why they are here, is to drag your soul to hell. Satan places these false prophets before the masses to fool the unsuspecting. All right? And I want you to pay attention to the question. It says, what's the most rebellious thing you ever did as a teenager? Now ask yourself. That question, why would they ask that question speaking on rebellion while you have him being consumed by flames in the background? All right? I'm going to tell you why. Because rebellion is the sin of divination, right? Right. And presumption, and iniquity, and adultery. An evil man seeks only rebellion. That's why they have that question up there. What they're doing is trying to seduce the masses, like young teenagers, young children, because y'all have to understand, they're trying to get to the minds of the youth. The children are the future. If you corrupt the mind of children, right, you have no future. Well, you do have a future, but it's going to be an ignorant future. A future full of dumbed down, no brain having, unholy, immoral, despicable beast of the field running around. Satan worshiping beast of the field. Cause see, Satan goes after your mind. Now I want you to hear the response to the question that he says. And pay attention to the question. It says, what's the most rebellious thing you have ever did as a teenager? You see what I'm saying? Teenager. And this is a grown-ass man. So why are you asking him about being rebellious as a teenager, as he's been consumed by flames in the background? It's because they're sending a message, you guys. This is what they do. This is how the wicked get down. And let's see his response. So he said the most rebellious thing he have done as a teenager was take the car without asking. And see, y'all, you have to understand, these false prophets, these puppets, Satan's children, are put in front of you to influence your children, to influence their minds. So now you have a bunch of teenagers who don't know any better being corrupted by this false prophet that they look up to. And so what they're trying to do subconsciously is program teenagers to steal their parents' cars. Basically program children to rebel against their parents. That's what they're doing. Okay? Then he will also say to those on his left, depart from me, cursed ones, into the eternal fire, which have been prepared for who? For Satan and his angels. Ask yourself, if you're playing a game, right? A question game, what is the point of having flames in the background like someone is being consumed by a furnace fire, and having the word burning up there in plain sight? That's because this is not a game. This is not a question game. This is not innocent, you guys. They are telling you in plain sight. The truth is hidden in plain sight. These people that you are looking at are going to burn. And half of them, majority of them, are already burning. Their soul is already burning. You are looking at clones, robotoids, androids, imposters, reals, serpents, demons, meat suits. They're already dead. Their soul is already burning in eternal hellfire. And I told you, their goal is to drag your soul to hell with them. These people know they are destined for hell. Their names are not written in the book of life at all. Without a shadow of a doubt. The Most High do not know these people. These are Satan's children, and they're showing you in plain sight. Blessed are those with eyes to see. I'm not going to make this video here long at all. I just wanted to bring that to you guys' attention. Don't burn with these demons, y'all. That's where they want to take you. They want you to burn with them. They know it's no hope for them. It's no mercy for them. It's no saving them. You have no idea the vile and disgusting things that these people have done and that they continue to do behind closed doors. They worship Satan. Not only behind closed doors, but right in front of your face. Right on the television. Satan is a trickster. He's a deceiver. He's a magician. He plays tricks on you while also hiding the truth in plain sight. With that being said, all praise to the Most High. Stop looking up and worshiping these disgusting beasts. These people eat shit. They drink pee. They drink blood. They murder children. They deceive you. They pray to Satan. They worship money. They lie to you. They are liars. They are blasphemers. They are mockers. They are scoffers. They are abominations. But the Most High will not be mocked. These people will burn in hell. And a lot of them already are burning as we speak. And their goal is to devour your soul and take you where they are going. You have been warned. All praise, glory, and honor to the Most High. These demons will soon be withered away like the grass, and their smoke and torment will go up forever and ever.